I'm going to show you how to use templates today. Templates are an amazing way to up your game when it comes to your Canvas layout and accessibility and engagement with your students. Plus, it saves you a whole bunch of time. Stick around until the end because it gets even better. Now, I've got a free bundle for you that includes 2 discussion boards. One has more formatting, one has less formatting, depending on the look that you want, and a complete set of instructions. There are 2 links in the description down below. One is to get this free bundle, and the second one shows you exactly how to import this bundle into your class. But I want to dive right in. Now, the bundle ends up living in modules after you've imported it. And when I go to modules, I see it right here with the Bright Bundle sample. Now, the sample comes with 2 templates and a complete set of instructions, but we actually want to start with one of the templates. These are both discussion board templates. It's really great to use the same exact style for each of your discussion boards or each of your assignments or each of your lessons to help your students navigate through your course. Plus, it's engaging and it's completely ADA compliant. Before I do any editing, I want to make a duplicate of my template so I can go back to the template and use it again. So we're going to go back into modules. I'm going to find that stylized discussion board template, the one I want to use today, and I'm going to click on the 3 dots over here on the right-hand side, and we are going to choose duplicate. Now it creates one that says copy at the end. This is the one that we're going to be editing. Let's click on that to open it. To edit, I'm going to click the 3 dots in that upper right-hand corner. I wish this had an edit button like our other pages, but it doesn't. So I click the 3 dots and then I choose edit. You can easily edit all of the text, starting with that title. I really don't want this title here. I'm going to call it Week 2 Discussion. And down here, whenever you're editing something that's got formatting in the background, like this title in the blue bar, it's best if you change everything except one letter. This can be true with links as well. So I'm going to edit everything but the J, and I'm going to title this Using AI in This Course. And then let's get rid of that J. And okay, that looks great. And I'm ready for the discussion board topic. I'm going to put my question here that I'm posing to students. And then I'm going to add some instructions here. You can even click right below the icon and add something here. Maybe you want to add some bullet points. Now, continuing to scroll down, you'll notice that my rich content editor is actually pretty small, and I can make this larger by hovering on this array of dots in that lower corner. That resize tool shows up and I can click and drag it to get this larger. And you'll see now that I've got some posting guidelines. Now you can change this in the template so the posting guidelines are the same and consistent every single time. I've just suggested something here: respectful, stay on topic, use your own words, etc. Now there's also room to type things here underneath. So lots and lots of places to edit and to add information for your students. Now, what the templates don't include, obviously, are the specifics for the assignment. So you definitely want to scroll down here and click graded if it's a graded assignment. You're going to add the points and you're going to add the due date. But once you've got that, you can hit save or save and publish, and you've got your discussion board ready to go for your students and also ready to copy for the next discussion board. Before I tell you the best part about this bundle sample, other than it being free, I want to show you the other style quickly. We're going to go back to modules, and when we look at that Bright Bundle sample, now we've got this Week 2 discussion. You can hover on the array of dots over here on the left-hand side and move this to another module if you want to. But you'll also notice that I've got this discussion board template simple. This is a cleaner, more streamlined design that you can use instead of the other one. Now let's talk about the best part. The best part of this bundle sample is that it is part of a larger bundle that has all of the things, completely customizable, and everything is ADA compliant. It's got the instructions, it has design assets, and it has not just the discussion board template, but it's got a homepage, a syllabus, meet your instructor for both of those 2 styles. Along with all of these design assets that go along with the theme that you can use in your new or or even your existing pages, plus a color template that you can use if you happen to be designing something for your course in another program like maybe Canva. There's a link in my description below so you can explore the entire bundle as well. Let me know what you think about this bundle, whether it's the sample or the full bundle. Leave those comments down below. I'll see you next time.